I think I just had probably one of the most interesting POV kung bakit nag-join siya sa training. So initially, this was just a regular mock interview, one-on-one coaching with one of our VIPs. And sabi niya, nag-join siya sa recruitment VA class not because she wants to be a recruitment virtual assistant. She joined because she wants to know kung ano nga ba yung tinitingnan ng mga recruiters kapag ka nire-review yung kanilang resume. I'm like, this person is very outspoken. And a lot of times, kapag ka nagko-coaching ako with somebody with the same personality type, I would think, malakas naman ang loob nito. Kakayanin nito ang virtual assistance world. But it's not just the lakas ng loob or the confidence that got me. It's that thinking of taking control. She wants to take control and work from home so that she will be paid based on skills. I'm like, oh my god, that is really nice. Anyway, let me share with you, and I actually asked her naman if I can share yung game plan niya, which you guys can probably learn a thing or two then. Diba recruiters help clients or companies find the right people? So as a recruitment virtual assistant, ikaw ay mag-source ng mga candidates na bagay do sa hinahanap ng client, magpo-post ng jobs, mag-screen ng resume, and if you have further experience, then you'd probably do interviews as well. So sa class namin ng recruitment virtual assistants, tuturuan kayo kung paano gumamit ng LinkedIn, job boards, sourcing tools. On top of that, of course, you have to be able to do administrative tasks like email management, coordinate interviews, organize ATS or applicant tracking system, communicate strategies with HR teams and client success managers dahil sila yung nakikipag-usap sa mga clients at sila yung nakakaalam kung ano talaga yung mga kailangan ng company. Going back, this mentee joined the class. Naka-VIP naman siya, so naka-unli siya. Joined the class not because she wants to learn what a recruitment virtual assistant does, but she wants to parang reverse engineer yung process. And that is so effing smart. I'm like, that is so good. Right now, ang action items niya, kasi yung coaching namin, it doesn't end sa isang session lang. All of them will have action items, ano yung mga pwedeng improve, if we want to add a little more pressure sa pag-apply. And this person, nandun na siya sa advanced part wherein aggressive na yung application. Magaling din yung communication skills niya. It just so happened na hindi pa siya nakakatsyempo ng client para sa kanya. We are testing out her theory if it's going to work. So I am going to keep you posted. But if you guys want to do this same thing, we actually have a class for recruitment virtual assistants. Ang next class neto ay August 23 and 24, 1 till 5 p.m. yung class. During the 2 weeks na internship, you guys will be able to experience ano nga ba yung ginagawa talaga ng isang recruitment virtual assistant. You'll be able to apply everything na natutunan ninyo from the live class. If you guys want to join, click the link in my bio. Bilhin nyo dito yung GigHub. You will then be taken to the GigHub. Guys, please take note. Before enrolling, i-check nyo yung free resources. Nandyan lang sa bandang baba. But under live mentorship, hahanapin nyo lang 999 recruitment with internship. Yan, i-click nyo yan and it will open the form for you. Literal na real-world hands-on experience para mas confident ka sa pag-apply mo. Hope this helps. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home, follow for more work from home chismes, and we'll see you at the classroom. Bye!